What's in the fridge today?
Nothing.
I'm so hungry. I can use my powers. That's what I was thinking. That's why I said that. Okay. Abracadabra. Make some food.
Nothing? It always works. Come on, has to be something.
Abracadabra pen. Abracadabra need a pen. Abracadabra make a pen.
That is so cool. This is a cool pen. This is cool. Maybe I'll do some other things. I can make some bronzer.
Abracadabra make bronzer.
Whoa, this is so cool.